Good morning class. Welcome back you all in computer class. Now class, today I am going to explain you your chapter 5 more on HTML. More on HTML. In this topic you will learn today. I will only explain only one topic, one tag I will cover with complete attribute. IMG tag, image tag. Image tag is used to insert image in your website, in your web page. IMG tag, to insert an image we have to use IMG tag. IMG tag used to embed an image in a web page. Image are not technically inserted into web page. Image are linked to a web page. Image tag create a holding space for the referenced image. The IMG tag is empty. I think all of you know very well that there are two types of tag. One is a empty and second one container tag. So IMG tag is a empty tag. Empty tag means that it contains attribute and does not have a closing tag. That's why IMG tag is called empty tag. Now listen you all about some attribute of IMG tag. First and main tag of image tag is SRC, called source tag. It specifies the path to the image. Where image you have stored, you have to specify here complete address of an image. Next one, height attribute. Height attribute specifies the height of an image. It specifies the height of an image. Now width attribute. Width attribute of image tag specifies the width of an image. Height attribute specifies height and width specifies width of an image. Now align attribute. Align attribute of image tag specifies the align of image. Align of image means that where you want to show your image. This will specify by align attribute. You want to show your image in left side, right side, top, bottom, etc. Next attribute is your alt attribute. Alt attribute is specified an alternate text for an image. It specifies an alternate text for an image. If you want to, in place of image not appearing, then you can write some text that will be appear on alt text. Border tag. Border attribute. Border attribute specifies thickness of what? Thickness of border of image. How you want to show the border thickness, you can specify by using border attribute. So that's all about your IMG tag. Now just I am going to show you the practical things, how to use this. Just I am going to show you. See now. One file already I have made. I have also shown you in live class. Now see again, just I am showing this how to use these tools. Okay class, now look here. First we all know that we start our program from HTML tag. Then now just below we write head. Below head we write title. In title here I have written insert image. This will be appear in your title of web page. Head title close here head close. Now body tag here open. Then now whatever you write between body tag, that will be appear in your document or in your HTML body. Okay. Now class, img, here I am going to insert an image. I have written here img tag and use src. Src means source of file. Source of file where? So in C drive, under user folder, under SR, and now on desktop. On desktop with name image1.jpg. This is the name of file. Image.jpg you can also see if you want. See here, image1 I have written here. This is the name of our file. Now next I have used applied here width attribute and height attribute and align attribute also I have applied here to right. After that here save this file and go to and run your file. See now I am running here file. This image now appear to right side according to our given value of attribute. Height and width value are showing here. Now just I am going to make some changing. See now, in place of 50% I have write here 60%. In place of 80% I have just 50%. In place of right I am going to change this left. After making changing, you must have to save your file. Otherwise changing will not apply to your file. I have made changing here. Just I am going to refresh. See output. Here according to our setting, alignment change to left, height and width according to our setting changing. So this thing you can change. 40% also you can do. Also write 30%. Okay, save here. And now again refresh. See what happened. 30% height changes here and width according to that change. So this is a option by which you can apply your some other tags like border. Border attribute also you can apply 5, the value for border. Save this, refresh. Look here, border now the thickness of your image changes. See, make changes 50. Very large border I have right here. See now output. Look here, thickness of border. These are all the border thickness. Only image are showing in this area. Thickness of border you can change by using border attribute. Here border, align, height, width and src. In alt attribute you can write some alt equal to alternate text. Whatever want you can write here alternate text. Alternate text appear in your alternate. If image not appearing, in that cases your image are appear. So this is a usage of your all the attributes and tag. Whatever I have explained today in live class, everything I have explained here. Now class for today it's enough, and thank you all for today class. Thank you all.